Good afternoon, morning, everybody. Today we're in Aruba and we're getting back to easy style vacation hair. As you guys can see, I have I think this was a 24-inch body wave, and I'm just hydrating it. I put some water in it, and there's some leave-in conditioner. I'm just dampening it up here. This side is done. I don't need it to be soaking wet because I know how it's going to look. This is what my hair looks like fresh out of my luggage right here. And I'm just going to add a little bit of hydration really right here and then to the ends just to get it nice and wavy. And of course, I'm using our brush right here, available at magichaircompany.com. So I love you guys. I'm just out here enjoying my day. It's my husband's birthday. We are on Harmony of the Seas. You guys see this beautiful background behind me. And I'm just showing you what it's like to have easy get up and go vacation hair. This is also a good texture for when I want to go in the water. We might go in the beach today. If we don't go today, we're for sure going tomorrow. And I will have this wig on. So stay tuned for swimming in my wig tomorrow. We're going to scuba dive, and if I'm scuba diving or snorkeling, I'm definitely going to have wavy or curly hair with me. And that's it for this. So you guys see, I just scrunched it through, and I got my hair just a little bit damp. It's not soaking wet. You see how easy this brush goes through the hair. And it's most important to get these ends right here. So get the ends, because if you are dampening your hair and you don't get your ends, everybody can tell when your hair dries. And very easy. You guys see it's just damp, not wet, easily styled vacation hair with Magic Hair Company. And yeah, guys, check this out. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Take my band off. Hope my hairline doesn't look too crazy over here. Just kind of fluff this out. And that's it. I'm good to go. Easy style, ready to go vacation hair. Don't travel with cheap hair. Don't let cheap hair ruin your vacation. Don't be that person that takes forever to get ready because your hair. Easy maintenance, low maintenance, natural hairline and part right there. I can of course change my part. Shop with us at Magic Hair Company for the best luxurious wigs for vacation and everyday life. And don't forget, we do medical reimbursement, so we can get your insurance company to pay for your medical wig. Get that prescription from your doctor or give us a call at 310-558-0181. Check us out at magichaircompany.com.